Hello guys, welcome back. I have an iPhone 13 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. To get started, open up Settings, then navigate to Mobile Data, where you'll find Portable Hotspot. Once you click on it, it gives you the toggle to turn it on, and as a second option, it gives you the password. By default, it's some atrocious password, not the easiest thing to write down, so I'd advise you to remove it and set your own. Your password needs at least 8 characters minimum, and that can be any kind of numbers, letters, or symbols. From there, tap Done to save it. There we go, enable it, and you can now connect to it. It gives you the name of the Wi-Fi, it's iPhone 13, though this changes depending on which iPhone you're using. Anyway, that is how you enable it. Additionally, you can quickly access it by going into Control Center, holding the first square to expand it, and you'll find the hotspot toggle right there. You can tap it to turn it off or on from here. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.